Okay, welcome long TokPisin tutorial one time but MapMasterJoel. Here me like give you one idea long you can post him inside the Facebook one long time you approve him mark long Facebook can block him you lah. So here we got all plenty of ways where we can post him inside the Facebook. Number one, you plus post him one time link inside long Facebook. Number two, one time no get link inside the Facebook. Number three, one time no get link inside the Facebook, but you can join him go all groups. So here we look some number one tips by looking you post him on top long profile blue or page blue one time no get link. So I'm normal post him plus I'm making. So you post him to Sol and then you share him all post blue. Okay, you look upside down slam and post where you make him one time no got link no Facebook blue. Okay, number two, usual you miss a post let me one time link long affiliate marketing or any link you like share him. But you say post him on top long inside of Facebook blue you, Facebook page blue you, group blue you, or profile blue you. At time you share him page or post blue go all not all groups. Embally Facebook are blocking you because you know allowed. So long as but I mean by showing you one plat tips where you can avoid him. This Facebook select or block him or give him infringement or give him warning or page where him plus a post him on link lemma. So you can here and you make him also. Number one, something you post him inside the group below you, inside the page below you, or inside the profile below you want them no got link. You write him short script, short carousel, affiliate marketing below you, or any link you have present to them, you write him finish now. You post him nothing. Or you post him finish now, you after some minutes then you go inside launch the post from you. Go inside the post from you now. You reshare him to the post when you go along all not all groups. One time no got link limit. You post him content we been posting me, one time no got link limit go on not all groups. So you can select him, I must log groups, you like him you can post him. You can share him group. As long as page blue or channel blue you am allowed long to share him or post blue you. Share him as much as you can. And then let him all small pages or small groups where you been post leme. Lola approve him or post below you. Content below him because why? Content below you know contain him one blah link or ask him no DM message or something. So inside you post you must think him. No gonna ask him no DM, no gonna ask him long one blah. Just ask him, just put him any post. So now let him all not all groups, all admin owners plus group or line only approving post below you. Only approving post we finished now. Say some 12 hours or 24 hours can be. As long as all the post you must approve inside one group only. And then time you go in, then you come inside big and long. Go inside big and long. The post where you've been originally posting on top of page below you, or the profile below you, or the group below you. Now you edit him content below you now. Edit him content below you now. You link below you, paste him link below you inside the content below you. You paste him link below you inside the content below you finish now. And now you can update him post below you. You can save him post below you. So time you save him finish now, time you go update or refresh lema. Automatically all NARP all group pages or lines are restrict him link or something now you've been post lema. Automatically this law all post updated contain him link below you. So you shall say now we trigger Facebook finish. So think him. You're not gonna ask him no DM, you're not gonna put him down link below you, but you can edit him link below you behind the original post below you. Now time you refresh or time you save now refresh. When I'm content below you, I'm updated across long all pages, group posts, understanding you've been making them. stay tuned want some more tips want MapMasterJoel. Okay, please tingin MapMasterJoel subscribe time lo.